Using the rolling pin, we are gonna press the clay this manner. Cut out the clay in the shape that you want. Like आप clay से भी decorative stuff बना सकते हो. You can take a flower. Also, you can take some wooden logs. Also, using the clay, you can make some petals. You can shape it using your finger and thumb, and उनको combine करके you can make it a proper flower as well. And as you can see, मैंने एक bow भी बनाया है. So you can try out making different stuffs using the extra clay too. So these are the colors which we're gonna use in our technique today, and also we're gonna use a paper made straw that you can just roll it around a pencil and make it. And now it's time to play with colors. So first color जो हम paddle करेंगे, that is gonna be the cobalt teal, and then blue, and just merging both the colors so that we can make a watery effect. And in this manner हमें अलग अलग colors, like we can just puddle, and using the straw you can just make a wavy effect, or जो भी effects आपको चाहिए you can make it using the straw as well. Like we can also add at the merging point like some of the pearls and beads. Also we can add shells so that वो और ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखे. So basically this is gonna be the output that we're gonna get after completing the art technique. Then you just need to put the name written object onto the desk plate. So this is how it is gonna look like. You can also play up with the fonts while writing your name. I just used a cardboard, triangular shaped cardboard, and I just wrote my name on it. Thank you guys for watching. So if you are new to my channel, you can just go and hit the subscribe button. Also do press the bell icon. अगर आपने मेरे और videos नहीं देखे हैं तो you can just go and check it out on my channel. Also you can follow me on my Instagram here. Thank you. Bye.